Hi there, for today's Read Aloud, we will be reading What This Story Needs is a Pig in a Wig. So I chose this story because this week we've been learning about the different elements of poetry, which are alliteration, repetition, and rhyme. So this story is either repetition, alliteration, or rhyme. It has a whole bunch of one of those. So at the end of the story, we'll go ahead and talk about which element of poetry we noticed. So, What This Story Needs is a Pig in a Wig by Emma Verjan. So take a moment, look at the cover, and read the title to make a prediction. Alright, let's begin. What this story needs is a pig in a wig. What are these? Little pig noses. What this story needs is a pig. A pig in a wig. On a boat. In a moat. With a frog. A dog. And a goat on a log. So far, are you noticing repetition, alliteration, or rhyme? Give me a moment to think about it. Remember, repetition is whenever words or lines are repeated over and over and over again. That's repetition. Alliteration is whenever you have two or more words that are close by that start with the same sound. Like Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled pepper. You keep hearing the P sound. P. And rhyme is whenever you have sounds at the end of a word that sound the same. Like log and dog. We're noticing rhyme. Let's go back and check. What this story needs is a pig in a wig. Do pig and wig rhyme? They do. They both end in ig. They both end in the ig sound. On a boat, in a moat. Do boat and moat rhyme? They do. They both end in the oat sound. Same thing with frog. With a frog, a dog, frog, dog. They both end in the OG sound. Og. And a goat on a log. This story also needs a rat. What word do you think they're going to try to rhyme with rat? Or what words rhyme with rat? Give you a moment to list all of the ones you can think of. Alright, let's keep reading. I hope you have a little list of rhyming words that go with rat. Oh, look at this. Another pig nose. A rat with a hat. Do those rhyme? Rat, hat. They do. They both end with the at sound. Is the word rat and hat part of the same word family? They are. Remember we went over that? Good. On a trunk with a skunk. That rhymes. Skunk and trunk. In a house with a mouse. That rhymes as well. And a panda in a blouse. Do panda and blouse rhyme? Panda, blouse? No. Does the word mouse and blouse rhyme? They do rhyme. They both end in the ouse sound. Hey, it's getting crowded in here, don't you think? Off of this boat before we all sink. What do you think is going to happen now? Give you a moment to make a prediction. Alright, let's keep going. What this story needs is a pig in a wig on a boat, not a house with a mouse or a panda in a blouse. Pig wig. house, mouse, blouse. Not a rat with a hat or a skunk on a trunk. Rat, hat, skunk, trunk. Not a frog, a dog, or a goat on a log. Frog, dog, log. They all rhyme. What this story needs is a pig in a wig on a boat in a moat having fun in the sun on her own. Right here. Pigs rule. Does the word fun and sun rhyme? What sound do these words end in? Fun, sun. They both end in the un sound, and they're part of the same word family because they're spelled the same. All alone. Hey, I made a mistake when I sent you away. Can you swim back so we can all play? Okay, what do you think is going to happen now? Do you think they are going to return to the boat, or they're going to say, no way, you kicked us off? Give you a moment to look at the picture and make a prediction. What this story needs now is, what does the story need now? What do you think? Let's read to find out. A bigger boat. Did you think that was going to happen? Did you think they were going to move to a bigger boat? The end. All right. To yourself, I want you to think of some rhyming words that you heard. Go ahead and think about it for a moment. Give a thumbs up when you're ready. Come up with at least 2 different pairs of rhyming words. All right, I'm going to tell you the ones I thought of. Pig, wig, that's one pair. Log, frog, that's another pair. Okay, so this book is full of rhyming words. I hope you enjoyed the rhyming words. And let's go ahead and take a moment and review really quickly what rhyme, alliteration, and repetition mean. All right, rhyme is whenever you have words that end in the same sound. Like pig and wig, they both end with the same sound, the ig sound. Okay? That's rhyme. Okay? Alliteration. Okay, alliteration. Say that long word with me. Alliteration. Good. Alliteration is whenever you have two or more words nearby each other that start with the same sound or letter. Okay? So Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. And it's also a tongue twister, right? What letter are we focusing on? The letter P, the P sound. What about Sally sells seashells by the seashore? What letter are we focusing on? The S. Okay? So that's alliteration. Now repetition is whenever you have words or lines that are repeated over and over again. Now, this book actually has a little bit of repetition in it. I went through the book a moment ago and bookmarked the pages that have repetition. For example, what this story needs is a, focus on that line. What this story needs is a pig, so that's the line. Right here, again. What this story needs is a pig, that's the second time it repeats. What this story needs is a pig, that's the third time that line repeats. What this story needs, that's the fourth time that line repeats. So there is rhyme and a little bit of repetition in this book. All right, I hope you enjoyed today's little read aloud.